Investing in a pub is not only equipment, but also management costs such as raw materials, water, electricity, and personnel, according to the local price and consumption level of the equipment placement area. Carry out cost-benefit analysis with equipment manufacturers in advance and make investment plans. Different regions have different tastes, and how many types of beer investors want determines the configuration of the equipment, especially the fermentation system. In order to reduce the initial investment risk and save costs, it is a good way to choose multi-batch brewing. If the investor has his own brewing process, the supplier can provide reasonable equipment configuration according to the brewing process. Choose the equipment that suits you, combined with the decoration plan and store style. Realize the unity of store decoration and equipment style.